Okay, so guys, I'm upstairs. I'm gonna show you the water bottles that I have. So I'm just waiting for the lady to finish her turn. So you have to put 5 peso coin here on this slot, so the water will come out. Sir, ay! Ay, mag-stop! Oh my gosh! Hi guys, so I hope you can hear me. So today I'm gonna show you how do we refill our water bottles. So for now, I'll bring just one. Ito. And it results. Ayan. So I'll just show you how a Filipino single mom like me. Ayan, meron pa akong dumi sa mata. Okay, so I live in a city, in a big city in Metro Manila. So I'm gonna show you how do we get water. So it's not difficult. There are a lot of water refilling stations here. So as of the moment, I only have 2 hands. So I'll just bring one bottle for now. Ayan siya. So this is a 10-liter bottle. Okay, let's go. Ayan guys, so I'm just waiting for the lady to finish her turn. Ayan. So that's what we call automatic tubig machine, automatic water machine. So you have to put some coins so that it will dispense some water. Ayan. So it's, yeah. So this is me on a normal day as a mom. Okay, she's done na. It's our turn. Hey! So guys, this is how I do it. I'll show you first yung coins. So what type of coins do I use here? So I only need one for now, but to show you how it works. So you have to put 5 peso coin here on this slot, so the water will come out. So yeah, let me show you. So tubig is the word for water in Tagalog. There. I have to get my bottle first. Okay. I don't have any assistant today. That's alright, because this video is gonna be short only. So we're gonna put our 5 peso coins. Ayan. Okay, good. It's right there. So the 5 peso coin will be enough, I think, half. Ayan, ikukuha ng tubig sa kabila. Sa other side, you only need 1 peso. Ayan, you can see it there, 1 peso. And then here, if you want more, you need 5 peso coin. So I don't know how much is that in dollars or pounds. Just do the conversion, guys. So let's see how much will I get from 5 pesos. Okay. Good thing it's cloudy today. Yeah, it's kind of cloudy. It drizzles now. I think our rainy season is early. So there you go. It stopped right there. So guys, for example, I want more water. I'll just have to add another 5. Ayan. You can see there. Ah, it's so windy. So I just have to put it here. Okay. So the water is about a minute long. It's like I cannot really see it right now. So I think a minute. So just a minute long. And if it is too much for me, then I'll just push the stop button there, because the water is gonna overflow. Or for example, the water is enough. Ayan, you can see it now. So let's conserve some water. Ay! Kaya mag-stop! Oh my gosh! Sayang ang tubig ba? Uy! Kuya, ano ka na dito? Ayan. Pero hindi siya malamig. Okay lang. Wala
Mas
nag-ano.
masarap yung di malamig.
Ayan.
Masarap nila pag unaw.
Hindi ko isama na lang ito sa vlog ko. So it didn't work, guys. Yung stop button, I don't know why. Some water got wasted. I think too much water. So sometimes yung button, yeah, it didn't stop today. Anyway, so there you go, guys. Let's go home. Here's my bottle. So you can see it's too much. It's gonna be having real 10 liters of water. And this water station, yeah, it's really close to the house. So I don't have to go to another water station and wait for a long time for my bottles to get delivered. This 10 liters is actually heavy. Ayan, oh. It's mabigat. So that's how I do it. Every day, we have to do it every day because we don't have any man in the house. Like, I have brothers, but they're not, really the ones who refill my water bottles. I'm the head of my own family, and my brothers have their own independent lives, and whatever I do in my life, I do it with my kids. We cook, whatever, clean. Uh, I ask my kids to do their laundry, some laundry. Yes. Yeah. Sometimes my mom helps when she is here, when she comes home from the province. Okay. There are cats meowing. Okay. So guys, I'm upstairs. I'm gonna show you the water bottles that I have. So my eldest already filled two water bottles here. So they are just next to a drawer cabinet. Okay. So normally it will look like this. It's very full if you put two 5 peso coin. But if you will only put one 5 peso coin, which you already saw earlier, it will be a little bit over the half, half the bottle. So you can see it there, right? I'm happy that you guys get to know and see what's here in Metro Manila. That is just one thing to see here. Because in the provinces, and you have watched some Filipinas who live in the province, and they get water really, I don't know, from the mountain, from a spring, like that, right? They have to ride a motorbike, ride a tricycle just to get clean drinking water. Here in Metro Manila, there are a lot of water refilling stations, and probably next time I'm going to show you. Thank you, and always take care.